Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the 2021 MacBook Pro 13-inch with the new M1 chip. Let's go over to the back of the box. Here you have the specification of the MacBook Pro and some important serial numbers. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Let's remove the plastic packaging that is covering the box. Alright guys, so here's the most exciting part. I'll be opening the box in a few seconds. Alright, so the top of the box is out and here is the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Alright, so here I'm gonna take the MacBook Pro out. It feels really solid. I'm gonna keep the MacBook Pro aside and explore what else is there in the box. So here is the USB Type-C charging cable. Here is some information about the MacBook Pro, some basic information. And here are two Apple stickers. And here is the 61-watt charger. Alright, I'm going to remove this protective cover here. Alright, it looks really nice. It's very compact and it's really small compared to my 15-inch MacBook Pro. I'll do a brief comparison towards the end of the video. Alright guys, so here are the MacBook setup screens. So I will not be capturing how I set my MacBook up, but instead I will stop the video now and I'll jump straight to the desktop. So I managed to set the MacBook Pro up and now I'm going to show you guys some basic information. Here it has 16 gigs of RAM and it has the Apple M1 chip. And for storage, even though it has 512 gigs, you only have access to a little bit less than 512. Display, it has a 2560 by 1600 pixel display. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a brief overview of the MacBook Pro. The keys are very comfortable to type, and here we have the touch bar, which you can access basic functionalities based on the screen that you are in. Here you have access to the volume and the brightness controls. And let's go over to the touchpad. The touchpad is really big and very easy to access from the keyboard when you're typing. Let's go over to the side here. So the MacBook Pro has only two USB-C ports here, and at the bottom here you get a vent for cooling purposes. On this side you get only the power port. Here I'll be doing a size comparison between my old and my new MacBook. And in the future I'll be doing a software comparison, like showing how much time it takes to compile on Xcode, or how much time it takes to rendering in DaVinci Resolve, and stuff like that. This comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.